Hey everyone and welcome back to Mario's World, the place where education meets fun. You know what's poppin'? Yeah, so in this video we're gonna be speaking about some of the places that I've managed to travel. I've been to 30 plus countries, which apparently is a lot, so stay tuned to find out more. Yeah, hello everyone. Hello everyone, after the intro, hopefully you've enjoyed it. That's some sick intro, isn't it? But there might be a new one coming in soon. The editor, I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you. So yeah, basically, we're gonna see how things develop, but this channel is going pretty well and I'm pretty happy that we're gaining a lot of subscribers, the views are coming up, there's tons of comments. I think you guys are enjoying this, so I'm pretty happy about it as well. So it seems I've been to 30 plus countries and I'm 22, about to turn 23, which is just crazy. And yeah, for some people that is a huge amount, and it most certainly is, but there's plenty more that I want to visit in the future, so you'll be able to see on the screen right now where I've been. So here it is, a map. So I've been to 33 countries, I've lived in 3 countries, and I want to visit 7 countries. So that's just how it is at this particular moment, which is 3rd of March. Yeah, 3rd of March. So about the time that you're gonna be seeing this video, it's probably been a few days. So yeah, about 3rd of March. That amount could have gotten quite up there, if I'm being honest. For the past year and a half, I haven't done any traveling, or at least I've traveled throughout the countries that I've been to before, like Turkey and Greece. And obviously the UK, because I live here in Bulgaria, because I also live there. But besides that, there haven't been any new countries that I've been in. So yeah, one on my list definitely is to visit Japan. I started going into anime more recently, like Haikyuu, Naruto, One Piece, One Man Punch, Death Note, and all those super huge animes. And it would be great if I could go to Japan and experience some of those amazing cultural aspects, and maybe yeah, that would be great. One of the most interesting places I've been to definitely have been like Egypt, Paris, in Italy I've been a few times, and in Spain, like for example in Barcelona was pretty cool when I was young, and we went to Camp Nou. If you're a football fan, that's a super nice place to be in. I've been to Singapore, which is amazing. I had an exchange program for 4 months and a half in Hong Kong, mainland China like Guangzhou. I've also been to quite a few places around Europe, so like Germany. I've been to Greece, Turkey. I've even been to Moscow, which is quite far, but still, yeah. So one of the best places I've been to, definitely that I can share with you guys, is Thailand. Then we go to Singapore, and the last but not least is Italy. For exploring purposes, I would definitely recommend to you guys Thailand. It's one of those places that you can literally go every time, and there's gonna be new things to visit literally every time, I'm telling you guys. So you have to go, you just take a car or a bike, whatever suits you guys best, and you just drive around, whether it's with your loved one, whether it's with your friends or just by yourself. There's so many things to explore that it's crazy. I personally love going to Phuket. I don't know if you guys ever been there, but it's just amazing. It literally just is amazing. I probably said literally about 5 times already, but one of the other fun places to be is in Philippines. So for example, if you would like to have some fun with your friends or by yourself, or even with your loved one, I don't know what is your relationship, but so on. Definitely a place to have fun is Philippines. If you want to go there and just do whatever the fuck you want, as they say, blur that out please. Yeah, so Philippines is definitely that place where there's gonna be plenty of partying and plenty of cool people around, and that's a very nice place to be in, let's call it that way. And one of the best places to relax is definitely Italy, or maybe you can swap the relaxation, yeah, with exploration as well. So Italy is one of the best places to be in. Like, I've been in multiple cities across Italy, and I can tell you that each time it's been an amazing experience. The driving is a bit nuts. Like, be aware, if you're gonna be driving, it's a nightmare. It's a nightmare in comparison to every other city that I've been to. But yeah, it's an amazing experience. The Italian people are very nice. The food is amazing. And if you want to just relax by the pool, or if you want to sit in super nice restaurants with your loved one, it's an amazing place to be, I can't lie. Or just to go with your family, with your friends, you're gonna have one of the best times of your life. Another great place to visit definitely for exploring is Egypt. Like, I definitely recommend recommend it to people. I don't know what is the current situation there with terrorism and so on, or just, yeah, with those kind of stuff. So it may be not as secure as it was beforehand, but let me tell you guys, it is an amazing place to go and explore and relax. Like you literally need to go to a resort where you're gonna have a beach in front of you, where you can eat margaritas every day and drink margaritas, like you see what I'm talking about, and just lay down. The water itself is super warm. If you're that kind of a person who doesn't like going into cold water, this is gonna be a great thing for you guys, definitely. The weather is 37 degrees Celsius plus, which sometimes may be a bit too much, but most of the day it's just perfect as soon as you get used to it. If you've never visited Paris, it's just one of those places that you can go with your loved one. Yeah, it's just amazing with your kids as well. If you already have kids, just go and visit like Disneyland and Asterix and Obelix, that's how they call them, like one of those fun parks. They're gonna have the time of their lives. I think I was about 8 years old when myself and my cousin went there with my family, and it was just an amazing experience I'll never forget, like literally. But probably I should have been a bit older to actually want to go into the Louvre as well. So that was definitely something I missed, but there's plenty more out there in Paris to do. Like you can go and drink one of the best coffees out there, like the same as in Italy, or eat croissants and just listen to the French accent and the French language as well. I don't know, I don't particularly like French, but yeah, it's a nice place to be in. And where I really want to go, definitely, like except for Japan, I would really want to go somewhere in the US, because I haven't been in any parts of the US except for in between South and North America, in a small island called Bonaire, which I may be going soon, by the way. But yeah, for America, I would want to go a lot in like Miami, like LA, probably Las Vegas. I would want to spend the whole night in a casino if I can, and see whether I'll be able to make some money or just lose a lot of money, because I do tend to have pretty good luck, but you never know, you never know. And the places I've lived in, yeah, those 3 small countries that I've been in, so that's like Hong Kong, then we go to London / Guildford, that's UK, and then we go to Bulgaria, which is all across Bulgaria, obviously. Yeah, let me know which countries have you guys visited. It's an amazing experience, definitely, to visit as many countries as possible, to go around as many and see as many cultural aspects as possible. It's definitely one of the best things that you can see, that you can learn from, because you never know how things are gonna turn out. You may decide that you wanna start living somewhere outside of your country, you know. They say in most cases that people start living when they go out of their comfort zone. And if your comfort zone is actually where you're currently living, maybe it's time to change things up. Yes, sure. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, so
it was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. You learned a bit more about the country that I've been to. Maybe you learned a few facts and a few places that you want to visit. Hopefully this has been a bit educational and a lot explorational and fun. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm super happy that I'm continuing to make those videos for you guys, and I'm receiving positive feedback, so keep the energy coming. It's amazing, we're getting there. We already reached 1,500 plus followers on Instagram, which is just amazing. 40k on TikTok, 40,000 people. That's crazy. On YouTube, we're almost 900 people. We're definitely booming. Thank you all so much for watching. It's been a pleasure for me to make those videos for you guys. Stay tuned to find out more. Subscribe, like, use the Bybit link in the description down below if you want to trade 100x. Yeah, it's not even part of this video, but yeah, use that link, and up to the next one. Bye.